Hey, ani'n fyw! Croeso i'r stream! Woo-hoo.
What you need, boss? Some wheels? I can bring them round. I'll bring it by.
Right. L2. Remember? Sorry!
Asshole!
Sorry!
Don't even one second about touching that dial, baby, or I'll kill your ass. The world, the funk. The funk made us who we are, and we made the funk, and that's the truth.
Blee! Ah, damn it.
You can't hide from the undisputed truth.
Oh! God damn it! Rwy'n cael y rocket launcher allan. Yeah, rwy'n trio cael y rocket launcher allan, ond rwy'n methu. Falle. Dwi ddim yn gollwng lot, though. Yep. Yeah, rwy'n angen just add your tea like a croonie.
I take it this isn't a social call? Okay, so you're in serious trouble, and you need my help. Okay.
Secure serve, register as CEO. Oh nah! Pam! Not my heavier. Oh no. Oh, no. Bang on. No! Oh, na, nhw'n mynd I swear, os nhw'n confiscate y car fi, bydd fi'n gutted. Get nhw wedi impound of it. No! Ni angen mynd i'r city, sorry. Ni angen cael y car nôl o'r impound. Or if nhw'n mynd I dynistri fo. am ar na fi nawr. What? I heb di gwneud unrhyw beth. Ie, yn rhywbeth i marw. Right, angen higher associates. Come on, it's not a helicopter. Please, 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 please spawn. Yeah. Oh, that's been a helicopter. Bear of him in before. Yeah, around Calcaravi or impound. Or the Anvanti guys invites your thing. Hey Morgan, os ti chwarae... Pa controller ti chwarae arno? Os ti gwasgu'r not the start button, yr un i'r dde o'r start button? Not i'r chwith, sorry. Yeah, ti gallu newid like o first person i third person. Oh, os ti'n dal hwnna ti gallu gwneud different like things. Yeah, just in case. Wyt ti wedi cael yr invite? Dwi wedi anfon ti un. Yeah, dwi wedi anfon ti invite, Morgan. Ar y ffôn, rwy'n meddwl. Yeah. Hey. Nawr ni gallu gwneud y missions a fi gilydd. Rwy'n mynd o dan y bont. O dan y bont. Skills. Yeah. Woohoo! Ar un hyn. Ar un hyn. Go on. Yeah! Oh! Pranged it. Ah, sorry. Un iawn. Oops! Okay, roedd hwnna'n, oops a daisy. Right, dyma'r car, yn y impound lot. O, ni gallu dwy'n e. Mae'n 250 pint. It's nothing. Ah, whatever. Yeah. What? Pam Noon? What the hell? Oh my god. Dim Clem. Rwy'n fi'n talu am y car hyn, mynd I ffwrdd. Right, ni'n dod nôl lan I pwlio be nawr. In Dartnell land, Ippolito Bay. Hey. Oh, what's that rubbish drift? Nice. Yeah. Right, come on, you got to give your mewn the garage. Woo! Alright, they got costly now, hopefully. Nah. Alright. Nobody meant to still not loud, man a car. A rally car, yeah. Yeah, we've been Kyle Hunno rhywbeth, sy'n siŵr beth. A mae gen I little hatchback hefyd, rwy'n mynd I upgrade o hyn, o'r heb di unlock o'r holl upgrades I fe, so like a big, you know, the rice, the spoiler. Nah! Ble, T Morgan? Oh, ti mewn a helicopter. Oh, right. Oh yeah, that's just... Rwy fi'n aros am ti dod nôl lawr mewn y garage. Right, rwy'n dod nawr. By fi'n dod mewn a helicopter hefyd. Yeah, they'll just crash your game, T. Quick, mynd. Lamar. Lamar un o'r NPCs yn y game. The computer character. Yeah, gada fe. Go away, Tommy. Oh, mae'n X I newid weapon and vehicle, as e. Pob sa'n anghofio hwnna. Ti gallu, ond mae'n Ti gallu... Oh yeah. Oh, ydy y scope extra, ydy e? If mae gen I Marksman rifle, mae'n gen I yeah. Hey Morgan, mynd mewn I first person. Wait, where's... Oh! Where is... Oh, methu gwneud e mewn helicopter. Mae gen I yeah. Flare gun. Yeah. Nice. Ooh, speedrunning fun fact at GTA. Ti'n rhedeg gyflymach mewn first person na ti yn mewn third person. Yeah, ddim siŵr pam. Yay! Woo! Enter your arcade with nearby org. Let's go. Ia'n gwneud rhywbeth mewn hyn, sa'n siŵr cofio beth.
I'm listening. No aliens. This place is bomb.
Yeah, dyma ble ni'n planio'r heist. Mae'r arcade yn just front. Yeah. Right, so ni wedi sgwbr allan y casino. Rwy'n meddwl. Yeah, scope out casino, ni angen scope out the vault contents. Access points scoped. Yeah, vault contents ni angen gwneud nesaf.
Okay, here we go. Let's find out what's in that vault. First, we need someone with the right login credentials for their security system. I tracked the location of a member of Duggan's security team using his phone signal. Head over there and find him.
Galukar, come on.
You calling for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.
Go with the nature.
It's on the way.
Car VR4. Yeah. Mae yma. Be? Dim ond mewn single player. Mae'n really weird pam hwnna dim ond mewn single player. It's like... I've gwneud hwnna trwy amser mewn single player. Just neidio, just ragdoll o just mewn I ceir neu rhywbeth. Diolch, mae'n armoured. Ac mae'n gyflym ac mae'n cael guns ar y ffront. Na, ti'n methu seifi allan o'r ffenestr ar hyn, anffodus. Yeah. Mae hyn yn y most armoured vehicle sydd ddim yn ddangos lan ar y map fel armoured vehicle. Wel, fel y rhai arall fel yr sa'n cofio beth mae'n cael ei galw yn dangos lan fel armoured truck ar y map. So mae'n kinda edrych fel a little bit of a target. Ond hynna just edrych fel normal car. Heisting with the boys. Whoa! Ble ni angen mynd, actually? Okay. Ti beth na? Well, be free now if probably Kyle Varfoot online. He remember. Yeah. Well, we're doing cancel pob DLC when Kyle planned GTA pim. For her with we're doing Kyle right planned, or we're doing cancel no he just concentrate our online. Oh, it's annoying. Oh no. We're on a hacker on a game server. Well, we're even just newid on Norse EDs. So might not ruin and chwarae efo'r weather settings. Whoa! Yeah? Ah. Trevor Gore, 15 dweud.
Shit, he's on to you. Try and
Oh
complete the
shit.
hack if you can, otherwise you might need to put him down. Well, that went a bit wrong. Lose the heat and make your way over to the casino.
Uh-oh. Or hwn o ddim yn ddod i digwydd. Wel, ni wedi lladd y security guard a dyn y ffôn fe. Whoops, daisy. How am I just troi round? Like literally, we're just like gweld giant pink like armoured vehicle or just instantly dechrau safety out of there. Like, come on. Yeah, like basically more.
I take it this isn't a social call. Okay, some other time.
Adine? Oh yeah. Ah, didn't even lladd e os mae'n trio rhywbeth. Mae car hyn fel mountain goat edrych. Whee! Ah, mae'n easy, mae'n fine. Edrych. Whee! Just mynd lan y mynydd. Whee! Oh. Ah, ni'n iawn. Na, mae'n impossible mewn first person. Yeah, I'm in the tree now. Uh-oh. Just ruin our lines in deal, isn't he? 50 level there. Nah, I need actually. Nah, be. Allan y ffordd! Christ's sake. Sorry. Yeah, falle, right. Right, we're mynd I mynd... Yeah. Oh god! Well, mae'r truck hyn yn tough. Mae gallu cymryd, like, couple of shots. Rocket. Oh my god. Nah. Gonna hang in. Uh-oh. Right. We're mynd I trio. Yeah, mae'n edrych mae rhywun mewn what's it called? The flying bike pith. Yeah, nhw'n impossible just in this trio. Or if mae gen nhw like anti-rocket things, we have to go with chaff neu rhywbeth. Yes! Okay. Oh my god!
It's a beach party kind of music. Stay tuned to MLR.
Yeah. In mewn y casino. Nice. Right, ni angen mynd mewn... Rwy'n meddwl, harf ni wedi dwy'n allwedd o'r security guard. Meddwl ni angen mynd mewn i'r vault.
Bring out your phone and search for a Wi-Fi signal we can piggyback on. And try not to look too conspicuous while you do it.
A new luxury car is available to win. Stop by and have a try at the Lucky Wheel.
They've seen suspicious? Mae'n fine. Mae gen I surgical gloves, I don't know. Ti'n gallu beth? Yeah, ti'n gallu safio, like, outfits wahanol.
The valet can whisk you and your
It's just angen mynd I, like, a clothes shop neu rhywbeth. Blim.
That's it. You've got it. I'm in the system now.
Hey, mae Lester wedi hackio'r Wi-Fi. Access the camera feed. Ooh. We just gwasgu across. Yeah. Search through a vault
We have
cam.
a limited amount of time in the security feed, so move fast.
Rwy'n meddwl, yeah. Rwy angen edrych am y vault.
Find what's in that vault. You might find something we can use to our advantage. Ah, what's that look like? The green stuff, huh? It's too much currency, so we'll still need to launder it through a buyer. Shouldn't be hard, though. Head back to the arcade when you're ready.
Point of interest scoped. Na, rwy'n dal sgopio allan o. Right, rwy'n meddwl rwy'n cael popeth. Let me just double check, you know. Vault contents. Ti'n gallu newid eich like emote thing ar y interaction menu. Rwy'n meddwl, ydy hwnna'r interaction menu? Yeah. Yeah. Rwy'n meddwl ni wedi gorffen. Yeah. Rwy'n ni angen scoops. Yeah, we've on literally like one player mission. Yeah. Oops, sorry. My reversing sensor being dodgy. Right, that's my no leader. Na, dwi wedi prynu bulletproof tyres i fe. Ie, yeah, ti'n cael prynu nhw am pob car. Ie, yeah. Otherwise bydd y tyres ti'n just cael eu popio gan fel pawb yn y lobby. Am armoured car, mae'n bloody gyflym ydi e. Ti'n iawn fan'na? Na! Rhydd? Yeah, rwyf ddim yn fi, you know, T-bone y ti at all. Rwyf ddim yn gwneud hynna. Rwyf byth gwneud hynna. Nôl i'r thing. Oh! Just bron glanio arno ti. Ti'n iawn lan fan'na. Trwy fe. R1. Well, R2 I mean. Oh, miss her. Ah! Di miss her fi eto. Yeah, come on, let's go. Yeah. Of course. Mae rhywun gallu galw Lester. gofyn i'r cops. No, ydy rhywun gallu galw Lester ar ffôn nhw. Ni'n cael gwared o'r heddlu. Sgwylwch yn dda. Ie. Ww. Falle na. Ah.
If it isn't my creepy silent friend. How can I help? Okay, so you're in serious trouble, and you need my help. Okay.
Okay, ddim ni'n need cael gwared o nhw. Ti jyst gallu gael Lester talu fe like $500 i cael gwared o'r heddlu. Oops. Ie, ond mae'n cael cooldown. Mae'n y beth. Na, ti'n redig yn arafach, rwy'n meddwl. Efo nhw.
Okay, now that we know what we're stealing, it's time to choose how to steal it. We got 3 approaches. Each deals with security in a different way. Let's take a look. Silent and sneaky. Now, I'm not meant to have favorites, but if you've ever seen me creeping into your bedroom and videoing you in your sleep, you'll know this one's for me. You gotta get in and out without being seen, avoiding work dealing with the guards. The big con. It's catfishing IRL. And who doesn't like pretending there's someone else and making a mark look stupid? In this case, we're fooling casino security. Get a hold of some uniforms and walk in there like you know what you're doing. Aggressive.
He might Lester and Sherrod.
This approach relies on going in hard and fast and violent and catching security on the back foot. Expect heavy resistance by the time you make your way out. Price of doing it dirty, I guess.
Right. Yeah. Detailed model of the casino exterior that highlights potential access points. Door security. Um, Right, mae gen ni model o'r casino fan hyn, efo possible points of entry arno fe. Wedi talu 130,000. Yeah. Solid silver. So, mine are a couple of entrances at a roof. Yeah. Ac mine are entrance ar y ochr cefn. Fyna hefyd. Ac ar y cefn o'r casino. So ni'n gallu mynd trwy'r roof neu trwy'r cefn. Yeah, rwy'n meddwl. Yeah. Possible entries. Probably. Right. Ni gallu gwneud stealthy, cat burglar style. Tricks and disguises. Like, mynd mewn like disguises a pethau. Neu guns blazing. Nah. Yes. A stealthy cat burglar's robbery, or robbery using tricks and disguises. Silent and sneaky, or the big con. Ddim meddwl ni angen prynu nhw. Sa'n becso either. Ni gallu gwneud un arall rhywbryd arall hefyd, ni gallu gwneud hyn mwy na unwaith rwy'n meddwl. So yeah, ti eisiau gwneud sneaky, like, neu disguise. Yeah. Mae'n edrych fel bydd ni'n gwisgo lan fel yeah, just yeah. Nah. What's that say? Does that say bug stars? Either plumbers neu exterminators. Sa'n siŵr. Mae'n edrych fel nhw'n gwisgo overalls. Yeah. So, tricks and disguises. Alright. Are you sure you want to use the big con approach?
It's a con job. You don't exactly have the gift of the gab, but you might have the ego to pull this off. I keep thinking back to that incident you witnessed on the casino roof. If we use that guy to get in, oh boy, that'd be some story. Now the crew. We need them here at Mission Control, organizing everything with me. Gunmen. These guys will use their contacts to source some unmarked weapons. And if you've got the spare cash, it'll also help reduce the heat by causing a distraction during the getaway. The driver. They're gonna set up your getaway vehicle and a switcher car to help you lose the cops if you want to pay for one of those. Better the driver, better the cars they can help you acquire. Hackers, my tribe. They'll determine how long you get in the vault, so choose wisely or, cheaply. Your call.
Right, ni angen dewis y support crew nawr. Na, ni angen cael NPC support crews, like a gunner, getaway driver, ac hacker. Ond y skill nhw yn determine cut nhw. So, ni angen... Yeah. So, gunman. Fi'n meddwl bydd ni angen expert gunman am hyn. Remyndi dewis Carl am y gunman. Mae'n skill poor, ond a cut fe dim ond 5%. So that... Yeah, fi'n meddwl bydd ni really angen gunman.
Hey,
I'm a bit
you know he keeps his rate low for a reason, but a gun's a gun, right? Welcome aboard, Mr. Abalaji.
Right, the driver...
Mighty Martinez. All right, sensible choice.
Hacker... Remember Remyndi prynu expert hacker, or hire our expert hacker. Oh no, Remethi. Dang it. Meet the support crew member as the owner of Terabyte. Damn it, I'm in Terabyte owner. Okay, need to sign Carl Good hacker, Christian Feltz. Alright, will you be okay?
Really? Bit creepy, right? Who am I to talk?
Oh, what did I press?
Okay, your gunman can provide you with options on where to steal untraceable weapons. These guns will not lead back to us if the shit hits the fan. And I know, you're a genius, okay, but...
Hey, diolch am y dilyn Ultimate
Reese.
Reese. Oh, what the... Beth sy'n digwydd?
Right, so your weapons. We don't want anything that can be traced back
Oh.
to us, so we're going after a little import-export operation off the coast. Blast in there and take the shipment.
Ni angen
I'm sure we
dwyn
can pull this
weapons.
off with any old thing from ammunition, but we gotta be careful. I mean, I appreciate irony as much as the next lazy Gen Xer, but I didn't come out of retirement just to get put in a jail cell. And we have Georgina to think about, so... you know...
Ah, mae'n fine. Hey, diolch am y dilyn. Leica ac Jedi Ricey. Yeah, I'm doing the guns now, Rebel. Oops. Yeah, so ni angen cael unmarked guns am y heist. Meddwl bydd ni angen Palomino Highlands ni angen mynd i. So fathau bydd angen ni dwy'n getaway cars hefyd. So meddwl mae yna dau mwy prep things ni'n gwneud. Ac wedyn bydd i gael gwneud y main heist. Yeah. Yeah. Right, now I'm in that other things. Jet skis. I kurvar weapon smugglers. Search the coast for the smugglers. Yeah. Yo, smugglers! They're dumb and done, I know. Search the entire
Must be
area.
a little late to the party.
Ow!
Let you go asking nicely where they stashed the guns.
Ravi Bevel is like, pardon do them an attack, yuddy. Avi. What? Renew just Avi. Oh my gosh. Aning iawn ar hyn. Mae'n unloaded respawns ar hyn. Mission hyn, anyway. So good.
Looks like they've already transferred the weapons to that seaplane. Take out the goons and then take that plane.
Oh my god. Right hanging Kyle armor on him. If it be grenade. Oh, come on. Yeah, my weapons and a seaplane. Being dod an arwyr jyst mynd I pigl yn y cash. All Rhine.
Easy does it. Give yourself a good run and take off. Then I'll need you to land at the airfield I've marked on your GPS. Your gunman will be there to collect the shipment.
Yeah. Oh, rwy'n bwrw'r yeah, rwy'n trio nawr. Sut ti'n mynd? Oh, come on, jump in. Get in, boys. Mae'r server yn gwybod ble ni yn nawr. Rwy'n mynd mewn y gunner seat. Oh my. Uh oh, man, helicopters yn dod ar ôl ni. Ddim meddwl ti gallu. Yeah. Troy turbines, lads. Woo, let's go.
Take her down gently. Don't want to wreck the shipment. Or yourself. Oh, and make sure the wheels are down. Seems obvious, I know, but...
Coming in hot.
Your gunman will stash the unmarked weapons at the casino for you. They'll likely be dropped in the laundry room or waste disposal. Now, you might want to remember this on the heist. Otherwise, you'll be down to just a pistol.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, remember VTOL mode. Oh my gosh. Alright, Dominic. Weapons delivered. Right, now ni angen mynd nôl i'r arcade. Ah, cer mewn car a bydd fi'n pigo ti lan mewn hyn. O, neu, cer mewn yr stunt plane. Tu ôl ti, ie. Mynd mewn hwnna. Wedyn bydd fi'n pigo ti lan hefo hyn a trio like dropio ti bant mewn yr awyr. Oh no, I hit them and Kyle. What? Where's the...
You're tuned into Music Locker Radio.
Oh, here we go. Right, I'm mini troop, you can see plan. Oh! My final mini peak to land over a hook. I don't know, how many of them hook you? Where's them hook you? I did them on Griffey Cares. No leader, whatchamacallit, the arcade. Just peek around a bloody car. Ah! We're in a car! Mythic, obviously you peek up FA land. Yeah, so I can't go through the button, you peek up on the line. Yeah. Hey, you get them cars for me, yeah? Just let him in, draw some money. Draw some money. Tiara money, money. Hello, moto. Oh, Jesus. Oh, come on! What is bloody safari for? Well, we've included explosion, now I didn't really gweld Emrys what it matter. Ah!
I need a man so bad.
Whatever.
Nah, my firework launcher.
Oh no!
Yeah. Come on. Pwys sy'n hoffi, ddim hoffi fireworks?
Holy shit!
Right. Dewch mewn i'r arcade. Oh no. Just dod lan i'r drws, bydd yn... Oh Christ, mae ni gan fyny 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chwech missions, yeah. Well, they've... Yeah. Yeah, pwy oedd hwnna?
If you want to get out of there clean, I've added some secondary disguise ideas to the board. Take a look. Here he is, our friend from the roof deck. I've reached out already, and he said if we help him take care of a couple things, he's into the idea of helping us. How about it? Could be the, start of something beautiful.
Right, let's go to getaway vehicles mission.
Put away those shark cards. We need to steal decent getaway vehicles that are in no way associated with our bank accounts. Your driver will help.
Ooh, pa vehicles. Retinue Mark II, Drift Yosemite, Sugoi, Jugular. Yeah, to get out of the
Let's get your getaway vehicles. Now, this might not sound like the best idea, but you're gonna steal them off the cops. Nah, trust me on this. It all makes perfect sense. I just don't have time to explain it to you.
Right.
Get over there, sneak into the compound, and jack them.
Ni angen dwyn ceir o'r heddlu. Go to La Mesa Police Station. La EMS at the police station, and 9 right in the city. Think Kyle? Eh? Diolch yn y helicopter. Beth ti'n meddwl heb guns? Ti angen prynu armor. Neu ti'n just ffeindio fe ar y map rai weithiau ond. Ti'n gallu, ie. Hey. Uh-oh. Oh, rip. Oh, jump. Right, ni angen car. Ow! Or fi'n just gollwng o pont. Oh!
I'm gonna fuck you up real good. You ain't never gonna get my vehicle.
No! No! We're ready to in a cardinal. Oh! Right, ruination Gary. Yeah, more good tea Gary. Go on. Och rang hwyr, mae'n car American. Ah, ti'n symud dros, there we go. Oh, not ref... Is there on the front, come on character. I don't know. Gobeithio bydd nhw'n gadael ni i fod. Nhw'n sa'n cofio beth nhw'n cael ei beth enw nhw. Ond nhw'n like really powerful, nhw'n cael rocket what's it called? Heat-seeking missiles arnyn nhw. A nhw'n player bikes, so mae pobl yn just dynaf nhw I just wreck o pawb. Yeah. Yeah. Well, the thing is, my other arcades to gallu prynu yn y city. Unig reswm when Kyler Arcade hollol ffordd lan mewn Plether Bay oherwydd yn rhif ar Amazon Prime.
So, if you can get the vehicles out of there without a gunfight, that would be the best case scenario. You might need to move some of the other cars out of the way first.
Peidiwch saethu unrhyw un. Ni angen bod yn, like, sneaky of hyn. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Search the rest of the gateway vehicles. Right, ni angen bod yn sneaky fan hyn. Na, ni angen cymryd y getaway vehicles. Ni angen ffeindio nhw a just peidiwch bod yn spotted gan unrhyw heddlu. Gweld nhw ar y map, ti'n gallu gweld like, ble nhw'n edrych. Or if nhw'n nhw'n cael like, limited vision. Ddim siŵr. Nhw'n right yn y cefn. Mae un fan hyn. Rhaid i ffeindio un. Mae just dau. Aros funud. Aros i'r cop yna mynd allan o ffordd. Ni angen symud. Yeah. Oh.
I don't mean to
Oh no!
but you just made things 10 times harder for yourself. Get those vehicles out of there as quick as you can.
Sorry. Droven in. Gary. Droven in. Dealing V. Yeah, just droven in here. They. Oh my god! No! Reverse! Oh, jeez. Oh, na, mae hyn yn y ffordd nawr. Right, fi'n mynd defnyddio'r cop car I peidio scratcher. Fi'n mynd defnyddio'r cop car I symud y burning car yn y ffordd. Rwy'n methu, man. Jammed fanna. Oh no, now we're in jammed! Yeah. Right. Mae Drws drofen in, Morgan. Mae wedi marw.
Now bring them in. We have a nice big bay for it.
ROCV. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, fi'n mynd rhoi thing ar y map. Ti'n gweld e? Porfforol at llinell. Oh! Rwy'n gwasgu'r bwtwn anghywir. Ready marw, just gyrru Morgan, just gyrru. Rwy'n capture cael nhw bant ydi. Na, ti'n mynd, bydd fi'n cael cops bant ydi.
Can't handle. Give me a break. You fucker.
Rwy'n ar y highway. Mae cops dal arno fi.
Eagle 10 here. We have a visual on the ground.
Ooh. Yeah, sorry, fault for you being alert to cops mewn y blooming warehouse. Steal the getaway vehicle. Oh. Oh, mae dal lan fyna o ble ti yn. Nice. Na, ti gael y cops arno ti. Os mae mor... yeah. Os mae Emrys just peek fel lan. How did everybody spawn over now? Come on. Alright, we're already coughing in heaven now. Yo yo. Yeah, sure. My car had an hour as hell though. Pretty Gary. Oops. Sure. Yay!
What's happening?
Hi. Your only limit is the limit of your limitations.
Something. Yeah. Yeah. Nikayla guns now. Nikayla Gately vehicles. They just hanging grenade, couple more pethe. Ryan knew and single player, so maybe got the grenade new. Yeah. Yeah.